Good morning. Happy day 2 of semi-annual sale. I'm getting ready to go to probably 2 stores. I really don't plan on buying anything, but I do have a coupon left that expires today that I actually want to use. If anything, I'm gonna get some more of the new candles, the new semi-annual sale candles. I'm not gonna buy any Christmas stuff. If I see some of my treasure finds, of course I'm gonna buy them. So that's really it. So I know it's a late start. It's almost 1 o'clock. I started not to go and just kind of wait till later on in the week, but I really want to go to these other 2 stores because I didn't do that yesterday on day 1. So what's up to my MVP riders? Don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching my video. I truly appreciate y'all. And because of my MVP riders, your girl keep posting. Shout out to y'all. Thank you for supporting me. But let's get this one going because I don't want to drag this intro. I hope they have something different. I really hope they put some new stuff out. I have not found the single wicks, the tester candles, have not found any of those. Not many 75% candles. I didn't find that. But one store that I'm gonna go to is a store that hardly ever mark anything down. I'm not sure why. It could be because it's more of a bougie area, but they hardly ever mark anything down. So I already know I'm not gonna find any 75% stuff there, but you never know. Every store is different. They could have got a new manager that just want to get the stuff out. I don't know, but I'ma check. I do actually like the store because it's one sales associate. She is super nice, y'all. So nice. And very helpful. She's nice and helpful. So I will stop there. I don't really plan on buying anything from that store because they don't be marking stuff down, but I will go just to check. You gotta check, I'm just saying. So let's get this one going because it looked like I'm about 2 or 3 minutes into the intro. So let's get it going. Okay, yeah, I just made it to the store, the Bath and Body Works store. This isn't the one I really wanted to go to first. I really wanted to go to the other one, but because they get ready to do an air show, they got everything blocked. So I'm kind of forced to go to this one first. So let's head into this store and find some treasure finds. Yay! Okay, as y'all do see, it's some different items like that gingham right there. I didn't see that at any of the other stores, but a lot of this men's care, that's the same stuff. This pink watermelon that's been at all of the stores. The 75% pineapple, everybody's store. So I just kind of looked around. My first 2 tester candles that I've seen, I've been looking for this hand sanitizer forever. Finally found it for 75%, and that was the only aromatherapy item that I've seen for 75%. So you know your girl had to grab it because I absolutely love aromatherapy. So I could not leave that behind. So that was like a treasure find, but something I wasn't looking for. But again, it's always nice to find stuff. Again, I was shocked to see that they did the coffee thing at this one. I have never seen this at any Bath and Body Works. So this is the first one that I've ever seen do that. Super shocked. As you can see, this store has a lot of the Black History Month collection. I guess it didn't do good in this particular area or this particular store. So I was surprised to see that they had so much of it. This store had a lot of the bar soap. I'm not really a big fan of Bath and Body Works bar soap, so this was an easy pass for me. So surprised and shocked that these Easter candles is not on 75% or a little bit cheaper than $11.95. I don't understand that. I really don't. I feel like they most definitely should be cheaper, because a lot of this stuff was on the 50% sale. So to be selling the Easter stuff for that $11.95 is crazy to me. The men's body care, they had a lot of stuff, but this stuff is still 50%. I'm gonna kind of wait until it goes 75, hopefully. And again, everybody got this peppermint candle. I've been seeing it so much in so many stores. Nobody's buying that. It came late for Christmas and is sticking around for semi-annual sale. Nobody even wanted it at 75%. Okay, y'all, I'm at the other store and they doing an air show, so it's a lot of traffic and a lot of people in this area. So let's head on into the store and find some treasure finds, hopefully. Yeah, I just absolutely love that lady. She loved being on camera. Every time I come at her, she be just so amped to get on camera. I love that. Most of the time the workers or the sales associates don't want to get on camera, but every time I come to the store, she always want to be on camera. I love it. So now I'm done. I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna have to go to a different store because they didn't have a lot of those blended candles, so I'm gonna have to go to a different store, which y'all know this store that I'm getting ready to go to, I really don't like to spend money at this store, but I'm either gonna have to go back to the store that I just left from or go to the store I really don't want to spend no money at. So oh my god, they was almost sold out of all of the blended candles. Heck, I don't want to spend no money at this store because they just poor, bad customer service, and every time I go in there they be acting really snobby and rude. So I try my best to not spend money at that store, but today I'm forced to go. Oh, that sucks. But I did buy one item. Super happy. I got one item from that store. I didn't use my coupon because I'm like, no, not on no one item. That ain't gonna happen. So I'm gonna go to the other one and maybe I could get the rest of the candles that I'm looking for. Hopefully. But I guess that store didn't really get many because they were almost sold out. So let's head over to this next store. Store number 3. Let's see what they got real quick. I don't plan on being in here long at all. So let's head in here and see what they got. Okay, yeah. I can't go out this way. Yeah, you can please, sir. Thank you. You're welcome. Have a good one. You too. Ooh. Now I might have to go the other way. Do what everybody else do. Push the thing to the side. so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, yeah, I got my items and I'm out the door. That was quick because y'all know I really don't like this store. But I just wanted it to be super fast. I just really got like some backups. And that's it. Okay, yeah, I'm done. I got my bag, as y'all do see in the back. I'm all finished. I did use my last coupon and just bought some more backups of those other candles, because with the price point being $11.95, getting them for around $9 something, I had to. I didn't want to waste my coupon. But I was just in and out of that store. They really didn't have nothing. So that's the reason why that was like super fast. But yeah, I just really don't care for this store. But this was the last one that I needed to go to. The other ones is in Illinois, which I know I'm not going over there. So leave in the comments, what was your treasure find? I did not find any treasure finds today, which kind of suck. But I didn't find any treasure finds. Leave in the comments, let me know, did you find any of your treasure finds, or gems, or whatever it is that you call it. Leave that in the comments to let me know, what did you find, because I'm so excited to see what's out there. What are people returning, you know, because that's the only way that we're going to get these treasure finds, because of people returning stuff that they feel like is no good or they just don't want it. So I didn't find any today, which kind of sucked, but I'm happy that I was able to use my last coupon, just getting a couple of backups. That worked out. I hit up 3 stores, and this chase didn't feel like yesterday's chase, but it is what it is. We got this shopping down. Day number 2 is down. So that's gonna be the end of this one. So don't forget to leave me some comments, thumbs up the video, hit the notification bell, follow me on all of my social media platforms, use or follow my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick, and I'll see y'all in the next one. The next video more than likely is going to be the haul, because these walkthrough videos are so long, I had to separate the two. So yeah, so stay tuned for the haul from day 1 and day 2. So I'll see y'all in the next video. All right.